Hi, I'm Sanjana Shah, the Executive Director of BNI Hyderabad region. We know that a lot of people around us are always filled with stress, but we need to find ways to help our employees to get rid of this stress. One fine day, I get to meet Devanshi from BNI Galaxy chapter, and she said that she can help me with this particular problem of mine. She came with loads of colors, loads of paints to our office. 16 of our employees sat together. They have never painted ever in their life, but look what they did. They came up with these beautiful paintings, every single person. In fact, I have some of them on sale in our showroom. They have created these beautiful paintings. 1.5 hours that we have enjoyed with each other. Great team building activity. I would personally recommend every employer to please meet Devanshi and see how your employees can be de-stressed. A beautiful activity, one fine morning with a fresh mind. Have all your employees under one roof and let them experience this world of colors. I would highly recommend the services and the amazing art that Devanshi has to everybody that I know. Thank you so much.